Hello everyone and welcome back to ARP's world. So today I will be sharing some preventions, some precautions, some tips with you that you should take during this lockdown, during this quarantine. So let's get into the video. So the first and the most important thing is to wear a mask. A mask is one of the most important thing right now that you should have with you every time. If you are going out, this is one of the most essential thing you should have with you. Wear a mask so that you are prevented from the virus. As you can see, I am wearing it right now. And also, if you are in a green zone, wear a mask. And the second tip is to keep social distancing. The one of the most important thing which can prevent you from the coronavirus. Because अगर कोई आपके पास है और अगर उसने छींक दिया तो हो सकता है कि आपको भी वायरस अटैक कर ले आप पर भी. So do not forget to keep social distancing. Wear a mask because mask will also protect your nose and mouth area from infecting. Okay, and my third tip is to use hand wash. Okay, so if you are in your home also, try to wash your hand because आपको नहीं पता कि आप कभी कोई चीज़ टच कर लो और जैसे आप कोई बालकनी में गए आपने रेलिंग टच कर ली और हो सकता है कि उस पर वायरस हो. सो ट्राई टू वॉश योर हैंड्स एज मच एज पॉसिबल बिकॉज इट इज़ द वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग. ऑल्सो इफ़ यू आर इन होम बिकॉज पीपल क्या सोचते हैं कि हम घर में हम तो कहीं बाहर गए नहीं तो हम बार बार क्यों हाथ धोएं, पर ऐसा नहीं है. अपने हैंड्स को वॉश करिए. ओके, सो यू कैन यूज़ अ हैंड वॉश लिक्विड और यू कैन यूज़ soap. It is not necessary that you have to use a liquid hand wash. No, if you do not have a liquid hand wash, you can also use a soap. Okay, my fourth tip is to have hand sanitizers with you. You should always have one pocket sized bottle with you always whenever you are going out of your house or out of your home, so that you can disinfect your hands. What you just do, you just need 4 to 5 drops of this hand sanitizer, then massage it into your hands, really on the tips of your hands, on the back side of your hands, in between your fingers, everywhere. Keep one thing in mind that the sanitizer is inflammable. So keep distance from fire whenever you are using a sanitizer. Another thing that you should keep in your mind is that your sanitizer should contain alcohol. Your sanitizer should be alcohol based hand sanitizer, whether your sanitizer contain ethyl alcohol or isopropyl alcohol, but it should contain 60 to 95% of alcohol in it. So whenever you are going out, this is another essential that should be with you in your bag, in your pocket always. So my next tip is to wear gloves whenever you are going out of your home. So don't forget to wear gloves in your hands because अगर आप चल रहे हो और जाने अनजाने में किसी से आपका हैंड गलती से टच हो जाता है तो the gloves will protect your hand. Okay, and they will prevent your hands from getting virus. You should use one use gloves कि आप उससे एक बार यूज करें and थ्रो कर दें. And one bonus tip which I think that it will help you is if you are a employee. So अगर जैसे सब मास्क कैरी करते हैं, so I have a tip for you that you should also carry a miniature hand wash because अगर आपका सैनिटाइजर ख़त्म हो जाता है, so that you can have an alternative option with you. So there are many types of hand washes. Miniature bottles of hand washes are available in the market now. They are available at online, so you can purchase it from online. So I have this hand wash, and this is like my palm size. It has the size like my palm. Okay, so it is travel friendly. It has pump. You can use if you are in office or anywhere else, so you can have it, because I feel that this will help you, because I also carry this type of bottle with me. One, because once my hand sanitizer was finished, and this really helped me to clean my hands. So this was my bonus tip on it. So this was my tips on how can you prevent yourself from the coronavirus, because the coronavirus is spreading throughout the world so quickly, and we need to keep ourselves secure with it. Stay at home, spend quality time with your family, take care of your family, take care of yourself also. Do not go out of home, stay at home. So I'm not promoting a one brand. If you really liked my video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe, take care of your family. Thank you.